Welcome to Beyond Soup, where I put up all sorts of stuff. Today I have a Nakamichi CDP-2A CD player. Wanted to show you on what I'm having issues with on this unit. Basically, I'm having problems with the CD tray not coming out. So I'm gonna attempt to fix it, and I'll show you how I'm gonna do that. So basically it's not opening for me, and I've already taken the liberty of taking off the top of the unit to see what's happening. And as you can see here, when I press the eject button, it tries to go up, but it won't go up all the way, so it just goes back down. That means that the belt is not tight enough to pull this up and to let the tray eject. So what I'm gonna do is gonna help it so it will. There you go. Well, try it again. There you go. So I'll show you where the belt is located. It's really right just behind the door, and there's the mechanism. So if you're having the same issue, that's probably what's going on, is you need to change this belt. So the cool thing is it's very accessible here. So all you need is something like this. Where is it? There you go. Something like this to take it off, or like some kind of pick or anything. But this really helps me a lot. So let's turn this off so it doesn't try to pull it back. And I'll go ahead and simply do that. Let it wrap around. And as you can see here, it's really simple to take off. So there is the belt, and it's oddly shaped now since it's been, years and years and years, and it's just sitting. So that's the shape that it's in. And I've got one that will work for me, which is that. And you need one that's like about 10-15% smaller, because this one's overstretched already. This is the original, obviously. This is not an original. So but it's a little bit thinner, so I can put a little bit more, make it a little bit smaller, simply because it'll stretch out, and it will help my situation and will work. Anyway, let's do that. Let's put this back. I might have to pause it just to show that it is on there. So I'll go ahead and pick this up. And again, this is going to take two hands, so I'm going to have to pause this and pretty much put it back the same way and stretch it out. So I'll show you the result. Okay, so I was able to get this around the pulley and then just get it around the motor itself, and there it is. It's on, and then we can try it out and see what happens. So go ahead and turn this on. There you go. There it is. So we've got it going now. Let's put in a disc, try it out. There it is. All right. We've got a playing unit again. Open. All right, so it's pretty simple and easy to change the door belt on this Nakamichi CDP-2A compact disc player. Again, the belt is right in behind the door. You have to open it to be able to access it. And with that said, it's again easy to replace it right afterwards. All right, hopefully you enjoyed that video. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and possibly join also the channel if you enjoyed it. That's Beyond Soup, where I put up all sorts of stuff. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.